2021. This one here I got a call from a guy. He's got a gas boiler. And he says when it starts up, it gets a big explosion. And he's kind of really scared. He's got to shut it off. So hopefully the burners are just dirty and stuff. I don't know. We'll have to go over there and see. We're going over there now and see if we could maybe clean the burners and maybe set the pilot, and hopefully it's not all full of soot. Might just need a good cleaning. Hopefully. We'll find out when we get there. Might be interesting. Oh yeah, might be an interesting one, Molly. Miss Molly. You're very stylish today, Miss Molly. You're looking very stylish today, Miss Molly. She's a snowy one, Mr. Grinch. Snowing out. See the burners right there, how dirty they are, right by the pilot? Can you see it? The burners, how dirty they are? You're not getting a good flow of gas right there where the pilot is.
Oh, that's right.
See it?
Yeah.
Luckily, this one comes out easy. So let me clean that, and we'll get it back in and try it, okay? See all that dirt?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if we can clean it. Let's see how this flipping dirty guy. This needs to be cleaned. Well, it should be fine now. A little preventing maintenance. You hear that? Preventing maintenance? That was just all dirt there.
So what do you think of cleaning this once a year before you do the...
Well, it'll probably be alright for a couple of years now, I mean. So now, we're nice and clean there, and it should... See, there's a pilot there, and when it lets the gas out, it's got to light it. Right. So what's happening, it was dirty there, so the gas was going down further, and all of a sudden, woof.
Yeah.
Right?
I never saw. I said, what's that noise? When I try to turn on, the light is come over here. It's not supposed, you know what I mean?
What, it was coming way out?
Yeah, it's then it stopped. Then it's normal.
Boy, a tough one to light, I'll tell you. We should, when the pilot stays on, we can, when it stays on, we can shut the door and see if it fires. Alright, we'll put this to on. You got it turned?
Yeah, it's good, yeah.
It just fired up. Fired up nice, huh?
Yeah.
It was just dirty.
It's just dirty, yeah, right, yeah, okay.
You hear it?
Yeah. Because before, I don't see now because the fire's come right there.
No, it was just because where the pilot was, the burners were dirty, so no gas was coming out where the pilot was. So it kept filling with gas, and all of a sudden, woof. You know?
That's right, yeah.
Alright, so clean burners and pilot hood. She fired up nice.
Where are you off? It's on that one?
That one seems to be working fine, right? Yeah. I have no issues there with that one. It was just this one.
Just this one, yeah.
Yeah.
That one is coming.